is boiler suit dirty.
Yes, yeah, it's not bright blue anymore. Yeah, going to the field, yeah, definitely. There's a lot of enjoyment in terms of getting a chance to actually go out and execute the jobs you organise. It's just good to see a job from start to finish. I mean, you can get a call from a client saying that something's wrong, and then you go through all the effort of trying to troubleshoot or put all the documents together, get materials and equipment sorted, and then not getting to see the back end of it where the actual work gets done. Can be frustrating, so it's nice to actually get good opportunities to go out and join the jobs and see everything through to completion. Certainly getting out on hands-on job for fitting guide rails and one of the houser winches, that's a good fun job. There was a limited amount of engineering, but it's nice to get away from the desk once in a while and get your boiler suit on for a couple of weeks and actually get out and do a good job. Definitely my favourite so far.